Hello students, today we will learn the next illustration number 7. See the question. Bharat Multipurpose Cooperative Society provides the following details of its income for the year ending 31st March 2020. Calculate its total income and tax liability for the assessment year 2020-21. Under that, income from providing credit facility to its members rupees 40,000, income from sale of agricultural produce grown by its members rupees 15,000, profit from sale of small scale industries established on 1st Feb 2016 in a backward state rupees 1,30,000, rent received from house property let out for residential purpose rupees 12,000, taxable income from letting go down for the storage and processing of goods rupees 8,000, dividend from other cooperative society rupees 4,500, interest on fixed deposit with BM Cooperative Bank rupees 4,000, interest on securities rupees 6,000, dividend received from cooperative society rupees 7,000. Next, the expenditure relating to house property let out debited to profit and loss account of the industry are as follows. Repeats rupees 5,000, municipal tax rupees 1,000, rent collection charges rupees 5,000, fire insurance premium rupees 1,000. The society gave donation of rupees 10,000 to Karnataka government for draft relief fund. So with this information we have to compute the total income and tax liability of a cooperative society. See here, Bharat Multipurpose Cooperative Society provides the following details of income. Now we have to see which income is taxable under which head. Under that, first one, income from providing credit facility to its members. So once we have to take it as a business income, again we can claim deduction under section 80P. Income from sale of agricultural produce grown by its members. So this one we have to take it as a income, business income, and again we can claim deduction under section 80P. Profit from sale of small scale industry established on 1st Feb 2016 in a backward state. So profit from a small scale industry is a business income. We can take under the head business income. So profit from a small scale industry is a business income. And again for this profit from small scale industry, they can claim deduction under section 80IB. So that is relating to income or profit or gains from the sale of small scale industry. So the deduction they can claim is 25% of their profit, income from business, 25%. So the deduction is available under section 80IB. Next, rent received from house property let out for residential purpose. So this rent received we have to take under the head house property. Section 22, 12,000 the rent received is given. We have to compute the annual value here, that is providing standard deduction at 30%. With the condition of GTA, if it is less than 20,000 they can claim a deduction for this income from house property. Taxable income from letting go down for storage and processing of goods. So letting go down, once we have to take under the head house property, income from house property, section 22 rupees 8,000. Taxable income means the computed value 8,000 we have to take. Again we can claim deduction for this letting of go down, that is specifically given. The go down is used for storage and processing of goods. So we can claim deduction under section 80P for this letting of go down. Next, dividend from other cooperative societies. So for this we have to take under the income from other source. Once we have to take as a dividend income from other source, again we can claim deduction under section 80P because it is from cooperative society. Next, interest on fixed deposit with BM Cooperative Bank. So interest income we have to take and it is taxable under the head income from other source. Again we can claim deduction under section 80P, that is because it is a BM Cooperative Bank. Next, interest on security 6,000 we have to take under the head income from other source. The deduction can be claimed only if GTA is less than 20,000. Dividend received from cooperative society. Dividend income we have to take under the head income from other source, and again we can claim deduction under section 80P cooperative society. Next, they have given expenditure relating to house property let out debited to P&L account of industry are as follows. So here there are few expenditure the following are the few expenditure relating to house property. These are the expenditure which is relating to house property but debited to profit and loss account of a industry. So here they have given profit from small scale industry. In this profit they have included these expenditure which is relating to house property. Now from this profit we have to add these expenses. We have to add means we have to cancel these expenses because these are the disallowed to the business. These are the disallowed expenses to this business, small scale industry, which is relating to house property. These expenditure are relating to house property, so that's why it is disallowed to small scale industry. These expenditures are not relating to the small scale industry, so we have to cancel these expenditure which is debited. We have to cancel these expenditure from the profit and loss account of an industry. So in order to cancel this recorded item, this is debited. In order to cancel, we have to add back these expenditure always deducting from profit, right? So we have to add back these expenditure. So the disallowed expense repays 5,000 municipal tax, rent collection charges, fire insurance premium. These are the disallowed expenses we have to add to the profit. Next, for the municipal tax which is relating to house property, we can deduct from the rent received from house property. 12,000 municipal tax paid, 1,000 we can deduct. Then rent collection charges, fire insurance premium, no deduction. For these, no deductions. So we can deduct municipal tax from under the head section 22. Next, society gave donation of rupees 10,000. Karnataka government draft relief fund. So Karnataka government draft relief fund, we can claim deduction 100% 80G. 10,000 deduction can be claimed under section 80G. Now we will compute the solution. Now write the heading computation of total income of Bharat Multipurpose Cooperative Society for the assessment year 2020-21. 3 column particulars and 2 amount column. Under that first section is section 22, income from house property. Relating to income from house property, here they have given rent received from house property let out for residential purpose 12,000 is given. So when they give rent received, we have to take it as a gross annual value, and from the gross annual value we have to deduct municipal tax paid. So here in this question they have given municipal tax paid. See here the expenditure is relating to house property, so the municipal tax paid to the house property is given 1,000. So that 1,000 we can deduct here from gross annual value. So we will get annual value 11,000. From the annual value, standard deduction at 30%, 11,000 into 30%. So this if you deduct, we will get 7,700 as a income from house property, income from residential house property. So here there is no interest on loan, so interest on loan is not deducted. So 7,700 is the income from house property. So there is one more income relating to house property, that is taxable income from letting go down. So this income we have to take under the head income from house property. So letting off go down 8,000. So the total income from house property is 15,700. Next section is section 28, business income. Under relating to business income, firstly we will take the income profit from a small scale industry. So that is 1,30,000 is a profit. So that we have to take here profit from industry 1,30,000. We should write in a column because there are some expenditure which is relating to house property is debited to the profit and loss account of the industry. So there are some expenditure which is relating to house property is debited to this profit, is included in this profit. Now we have to cancel those expenditure. So they are repays municipal tax, rent collection charges and fire insurance premium. So these expenditure which is disallowed is included in this profit. So we have to cancel. In order to cancel, we have to add back those debited expenditure. So add disallowed expenses, repays of house property 5,000, municipal tax 1,000, rent collection charges 5,000, fire insurance premium 1,000. So the total, if you disallow it, the taxable profit from a industry is 1,42,000. So on this 1,42,000, 25% of this profit can be claimed a deduction under section 80IB, that is relating to profit from industry, small scale industry. So the next incomes relating to business we will take one by one. Income from providing credit facilities we have to take as a business income. Income from sale of agricultural produce also taxable under the head income, business income. This is taken. Rent house property, this is a house property income. Other source. So there is no other item. So total business income is 1,42,000 plus income from providing credit facilities 40,000, income from sale of agricultural produce 15,000. So the total it comes to 1,97,000 is a business income which is taxable under section 28. Next head is section 45, capital gain. So there is no information relating to capital gain, so nil. Next head is section 56, that is income from other source. So under the income from other source we have, these are the taken. Next we have dividend from other cooperative society 4,500, interest on FD with the BM Cooperative Bank 4,000, interest on security 6,000, dividend received from cooperative society 7,000. So we have to take one by one. Dividend from other cooperative societies 4,500, interest on FD with BM Cooperative Bank 4,000, interest on security 6,000, dividend received from cooperative society 7,000. So the total income from other sources 21,500. So if you add all these heads of income, we will get gross total income is equal to 2,34,200. So the next from GTA we can claim the deductions, that is deduction under section 80. Under that the first deduction is 80IB. So 80IB deduction is relating to the profit or gains of a small scale industries. So here deduction can be claimed is 25% of the profit. So the total profit how much from the business should not take the 1,30,000. After adding these expenditure, what is a taxable business income? On that income we have to provide the deductions, that is 25% of profit. 1,42,000 into 25%, that is 35,500. So the business small scale industry is established on 1st February 2016. So the deduction can be claimed only for the 5 years. First 5 years we can claim deduction. So if the industry established on 2016, then we can claim deduction even in the year 2020-21. So here the established on 2016 means 17 year, 18 year, 19 year, 2020 year we can claim the deductions. Next deductions is relating to ATP. So under that we have to take all the incomes relating to cooperative society. So this is a house property income. This one we cannot claim deduction because GTA is more than 20,000. Next we have income profit from industry 1,42,000. So this is the income from other business. It is not relating to the income of the specified cooperative society. It is from other businesses, that is from small scale industry. So 1,42,000 is given. We can claim maximum 50,000 for this profit. So that is profit from other businesses. Profit from other businesses or income from other business, that is small scale industry, maximum 50,000 we can claim here, not 1,42,000, because it is not a consumer cooperative society. Next we can take income from providing credit facility 40,000, income from sale of agricultural produce 15,000. Then corporate relating to cooperative is dividend from other cooperative society 4,500, interest on FD with the BM Cooperative Bank 4,000. Then this one we cannot claim because GT is more than 20,000. Then dividend received from cooperative society 7,000. So these items we have to claim under section ATP. But house property, relating to house property, we cannot claim this 7,700, but we can claim for the letting of godown 8,000, because the letting of godown is used for storage and processing of goods. Here write letting of godown for the storage and processing of goods. So for this we can claim deduction under section 80P. So write all the deductions one by one. First is credit facilities 40,000, agricultural produce 15,000, income from other business, that is small scale industry, maximum 50,000, dividend from cooperative society 7,000, interest on FD 4,000, dividend from other cooperative society 4,500, letting of godown also we have to take because it is used for, godown is used for storage and processing of goods. So these are the deduction under section 80P. Next we have ATG deduction, that is the society gave donation rupees 10,000 to Karnataka government draft relief fund. So for this 100% deduction can be claimed without limit 10,000. So total deduction is 1,74,000. So if you deduct 1,74,000 total deduction from GTA, the taxable total income will be 60,200. On this total income we have to apply the tax slab. Calculate the tax slab yourself. Write note for the 80IB deduction because here deduction under section 80IB is available to small scale industry at 25% of their profit or gains for the first 5 years. So compute the tax liability on this income. Here there is no long term capital gain winning. Directly on 60,200 we have to apply tax slab, that is first 10,000 10%, next 10,000 20%, balance 30% we have to apply. After that adding education cess at 4%, and even compute the AMT as well.